Welcome to PowerCraft. So today we are going to learn about some different kinds of panels that are in Figma 5, which you can see. So suppose you make a simple frame and just create maybe just create this four rectangles. I just copy and paste them. I just copy them all and just do some tidy up for consistent spacing around in between them. And then I just center align it. Mm, mm, like this. See, even when you become experienced, there are so many things in Figma that still sometimes do wrong things. So never be too egoistic. You can always be wrong, no matter how much design experience you have, no matter how much development experience you have. That's just a part of life. Like so, in fact, we have more we as design we as especially as developers we do more errors than we do code, to be honest, like talking about the real life experience. So basically that's the we'll just write down panels as a frame name. So there are three kinds of main panels. For example, there's a design panel. If you look at the top right side of the Figma, there is a prototype panel and there is an inspect panel. So design panel is basically used for changing the attributes of your frames and of your objects. See, these are basically these all these shapes are objects basically. So if you want to give it a fill color, if you want to increase the width of the rectangle or the height of the rectangle or the angle of the rectangle or the border radius of the rectangle from here, see, or the X position or the Y position from the frame or its current container, then you basically use the design panel. See, the other thing that you can do is you can give it a stroke, you can give some blur effects, background blur effects, layer blur effects, and can export it. All of these things happen through the design panel. And the prototype panel, which is the second panel out of the three panels, we use when we want to give some animations with our objects, with our whole pages, which are the frames. Remember, it's called frame in Figma only, but in other software like Adobe XD, it's called an artboard. So that's something that you would have to remember. But it doesn't matter. Like everybody that you work with will understand why do you call it like an artboard or a frame, and no matter what design software are you using. That's a one very good thing about these software. They're mostly the same. So the other thing, if you want to prototype it, you want and so basically that this plan is for prototyping. I'm not going to go and explain you how to do prototyping in this video, basically, especially in this video, because that's this video's whole purpose is to tell you that there are different kinds of panels and they are used for different purposes. So this panel is basically just for prototyping or animations, you can say, be it full page animations or be it just object based animations. And then there are like any prototyping settings you want to give, you come to prototype panel and then do it. And then there is an inspect panel. So basically, as a designer, if you're just a designer and not a developer, like by developer here I'm referring to front end developer who knows like HTML, CSS, JavaScript, and even React, or maybe if you know the whole Angular framework, you can also come if you convert designs, if you make custom designs like directly from Figma. So basically, inspect panel is for the developers who come directly to the inspect panel. They don't have much work in the design panel, so they come directly to the inspect panel and inspect the sizes, like width, height, colors, background colors. You see, it's also giving us a CSS here, but we'll go into it later. So that this is like basically for the developers who want to take the Figma design and convert it into the front end website. So that's this panel is basically for the developers. So designers like rarely open this panel. They have no use of it. Like rarely just to see. Otherwise, your US designer had no work in the spec panel. As far as I know, Otherwise, if I'm wrong, just why not like just correct me. So that was it. I hope you enjoyed this video. So I will be coming with more videos in the coming time, maybe tomorrow. Every day I will be posting a video. So thank you guys for sticking to me. I really love you. Thank you.